Big up 6 degrees out there in Toronto, Canada. Now, this story is brought to you by 6 degrees, because you don't know, countryman link with 6 degrees out there in Toronto. So big up yourself, 6 degrees. You understand?
Mostly dark, dark again, fully dark, bag of darkness, bad man badness, outright badness, yeah? Welcome to Wallop, welcome to my block. Anywhere me go, yeah, me roll it my glove. Me no give a fuck if me walk into a cup. Me no give a fuck if me walk a roadblock. Driver don't take stop window fi wind up. Anywhere we roll, badness no pull up. Roll with the kid, he watch me fall up. Somebody have to dead when time me roll up, when time me roll up. So shut up, beat them bad enough. Make them leak like bad enough. Watch on the road where you're chatting up. You're not bad enough. Shut up, beat them bad enough. Make them leak like bad enough. Youth man, watch the road where you're chatting up. No, say you're not bad enough. And raise as a shooter. Get back a bus like a tin of fruiter. Them when a bat, them a fish, them a go back. Send a little mad dog on a scooter. Send it out as a shooter.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share. Right. Now, there's a big war, industry war, music war about to jump off between Rich Boss and Boss HOG. You understand? And Rich Boss is known as Rich Nice, and Boss HOG is known as Big Pun. And it seems like something is brewing with these two men. And I'm gonna tell you all about it. And viewer, you guys decide. Alright? Let's go. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That's Rich Nice. You understand? Big time promoter in a big city somewhere in the world. You understand? And he is from Trinidad and him link with Big Puns and them form the TRINIBAD movement. Now, Rich Nice aka Rich Boss, that man here do a whole heap of things, dog. And him been around the block. He's a Damu LT. You guys want me to translate that for you? Lieutenant in the Bloods. Lieutenant in the Bloods gang. Okay? So, that's the history with this man. You know, I ain't gonna disclose too much. But the beef started with him and Boss HOG aka Big Pun. And I'm gonna probe some more. I'm gonna play a video that Rich Boss, Rich Nice is explaining about Big Pun and their situation. Now, there's many more on this, and like me say, I'm keeping my ears to the ground because I'm quite sure there's a part 2 coming up in a couple days. So, let's go. With all due respect, you see Pun is a big time member of the TRINIBAD movement. And them man they helped start the TRINIBAD movement along with Rich Boss. So you see Pun, I have to give him credit where him credit is due. So them man here begin at the TRINIBAD movement, do them music thing. Him and Rich Boss, Boss HOG, Rich Boss, Big Pun, Rich Nice, link up and I do them thing, and then certain things jump off with them, and it's been an ongoing beef, you know, pretty much music industry beef. Certain shots are true. So me just I put it out there and I bring it to the world. Now, I want to watch this video. Well, that's a video with Big Pun, Bossag, and me name him Bossag, and Rich Boss, Rich Nice. And the discrepancy with these two men in the music industry came from this. Before we go any further, I am going to play a video of Rich Nice, Rich Boss, and that's explaining the situation with him and Big Puns. But there is more information out there, and I'm quite sure I'm gonna have to do an update part 2. But listen to what Rich Nice have to say. But before we do that, yo, Karma G5, big up yourself, big every film producer and music director, all of that, you understand, from out of Toronto, Canada. Big up yourself.
I'm going to address what you just said, your answer. It didn't make no sense, but I'm going to answer it. I'm old. I know I'm old. I'm wise too. Well, me and you the same age, nigga. I don't know you. I met you over the phone. I never met you in person once, but I gave you love though. I met you one time, was at an event. Before that, I don't never even knew you. He said I can't come back to Trinidad. Who's gonna stop me? I'm from Trinidad. I did anybody any wrong in Trinidad? You're not making any sense, my nigga. But that's what you guys been doing, using that as some excuse to run your mouth. You know you a fake, you know you a phony, and I could expose you. I could put out those voicemails and I could put out everything on wax. You know what time it is. So as you said, big dog style, nigga. You know what time it is. All that shit, I'm talking to you. I ain't talking to anybody else. Me, you. Big dog, nigga. All that shit about this, that, and that, and this. That's right, I own you, nigga. And you violated. I didn't say none to you. You violated. Now it's beating your conscience. Yeah, that's right. 20% of 20% is nothing. Yeah, nigga, watch and see. TRINIBAD, bro. I own that. You can say whatever you want. You could talk all you want. You could badman this and badman that. Nigga, you know what time it is. Nigga, you could suffocate any day now. Ain't no badman nothing. You know that. You lose your breath, you out of here. I'm real young, nigga. Real young. Remember that. And all that shit you poppin', it's still love, man. Still got love for you. But you just need to be checked. What have you done for the youth of TRINIBAD? What's your fat ass done for anybody, nigga? You ain't did nothing. But run around New York talking about you the fucking man and this and that of TRINIBAD and this and that. What the fuck have you done, my nigga? What? Talk to me. Come on, man. Be credible. Be credible. Nothing you're saying right now makes sense. Your answer don't even make no sense. You got a ski mask on your head. What the fuck that's gonna do, nigga? You know Rich real, nigga. You know that. And I'm talking to you. Ain't nobody else involved in this but you. You know how we get we rep it by ourselves. You know that. Come back to Trinidad. Con man. Nigga, you been running that shit for years. All of y'all been running that con man and this one talk. Nigga, I'm a made man, nigga. Fact though. I get it and did it myself. I don't need no help. And yes, I own you. I gave you 70% of your name, Trinibad. Remember that. I legitimize you, nigga. I legitimize you. Just remember that. Rich nice. God, man. Yeah, alright, nigga. Big dog. However you wanna do it. You know me, nigga. Pun. Talking. You look at me when a big man talking to you. We the same age. Look at your beard, man. Your shit is gray. Stop it, bro. You a bum. Hey, yo, Pun. I'm gonna address what you just said, your answer. It didn't even make no sense, but I'm gonna answer it.
Now, this artist right here, so. Okay, him name Bad Artist. A theme song I played at the beginning of this video. He is signed underneath Rich Boss, Rich Nice. And it seems like Bad Artist is jumping into the fray. Because he came out on social media and he dropped a voice note, and we're trying to figure out who is this voice note directed at. Because I know it's not Rich Nice. I know it's not me. It must be Big Pun. But I don't want to start any argument or any war. Like I said, he came out, I got the voice note. I'm gonna play the voice note, and then y'all can be the judge of it. This thing might jump off. I like to say industry war, and you know, the industry thing right now in Trinidad kind of sticky sometimes, and other places. So I don't know who Bad Artist is talking. So here, let's listen to what he's saying, and then I'm gonna come back in.
My G, now I forget to tell you this. Use the general. Yeah? Use the Godfather, use the Dan. You dig? Serious man, you are rolling with you. He's a serious man, he's a serious youth man. All the music aside and thing, you understand? I function with outright badness. Bad man badness, you understand? I do it for real, killer. I don't just talk it. Certain thing you hear me singing about and thinking about music, yeah, I know no capping, dog, you understand? I ain't saying everything real and everything true, you know, but you know, certain flicker is a man cutting G. Yeah, because, yeah, really bow that shit, dog, you understand? So, long story short, a man can diss you, a man can diss the link, a man can diss the team, a man can diss the dream, you understand? Because, yeah, you put it to sleep, man. You dig? Or we just see you and beat your real fucking bad, busting in your head. You understand? Hard glass bottle carb to face and thing. Normally now we do G. Ain't none but a word. Put that on God and die the word, yeah?
So that was Bad Artist. I leave a voice note. Like me said, I don't know who is it at. It might be Big Pun. It might not. But I know Bad Artist is in Rich Boss camp. So as we move along, we are gonna recap what's going on and end this video, and I'm gonna keep my ears to the ground to see what's coming up out of this, because it seems Rich Boss of the Big Bad Show June 1st down in Trinidad, fully bad, along with, I think, Bad Artist is gonna be there and many more. Big Pun is supposed to be there, but right now him and Big Pun is beefing. So me gonna stay tuned on top of this. Big Pun and Rich Nice, we call Big Pun Boss Hog, Rich Nice, Rich Boss. The two of them is going at it. And this is a musical industry thing. You understand? So I want to see how this is gonna play out. See if Big Pun or Rich Nice is gonna show with emotion and see who's gonna win. Cause me hear say Big Pun have a whole heap of artists. And me hear say Rich Nice, him have couple artists too. And the man them a do them thing. So let's see how this is gonna play out. Okay? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Peace.